The month of April went so quick. So let's go ahead and dive into the month of May, our monthly overview. Hello, my name is Josie. If you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. I'm super grateful to have you here. So in today's video, I'm going to plan my monthly overview for May. I like doing this kind of videos and I like planning my monthly overview. It's kind of like easy and very important to me. Last month, I planned I was going to film a video for the whole month. Getting to the end of the month, I got sick and I was able to post video every day. But that's okay. But because I already planned my month, it went very well. Even though I got sick getting to the end of the month, I was very sad I wasn't able to fulfill all the things that I planned for. But for the look of things, I was able to fulfill about 80%, which was great, not that bad at all. So planning your month is very important. That's why I love doing this, to make me accountable for myself and also to bring you guys along to see how I do it. I do all this planning on my notes on my phone. I have an iPhone and I plan it on the notes. So it's very easy. Cheap is part of my phone. I don't have to have any extra stuff to plan my month. So I divide my monthly overview in 3 parts. The events that is coming up in the month, also my goals, and my budget. So first of all, let's dive into the event. Month of May is a very crazy month for me because it's very busy. It's my birthday month and I have 5 people from my household also celebrating their birthday. So we have 6 birthdays in month of May. So just imagine if we're going to celebrate each of them, it means it's going to be crazy. But normally we don't do that. So we have some birthdays coming up on the 4th, on the 5th, on the 6th, on the 7th, and also 16th and 29th. So it's my son, me, my sister's kids, and also my daughter. So we celebrate all our birthday in May. So just imagine how much money is going to go in. So because of that, we have to review the monthly budget seriously to see if we are on track. Then after we review our budget, we'll know how we're going to spend our money in the month. So I will talk about my budget in the last part of the video. In the month of May, I want to try and put $400 towards my month ahead. It means that every week I want to do $100. I want to pay extra $2,000 towards my student loan, which is coming up pretty well. I don't have interest piling on it until December this year. So my goal is to pay a lot of it. And my goal also is to pay it off next year by my birthday. So I have 1 year to pay about, let's say, $40,000. Hopefully I can do it. It's very challenging, but I'm hoping that I can do it. The kids are traveling back home with my mom, so we need to get their visas for them. I have to send the application out ASAP because they have like a month to go ahead and travel. This month, I'm hoping, praying that I will be able to sign a lease for something that we are planning to do. I'm a women's leader in my church, and this month is a Mother's Day month. We celebrate it for the whole week, so I'm praying that I'll be able to have a successful week for the Mother's Day coming up, which is from the 5th to the 11th. So the whole week is going to be very busy, and I'm hoping that it comes out very good this year, because we want to kind of let everybody know what is going on in the church as mothers, and we want to learn a lot from each other as well. As usual, I want to make sure that I join my weekly prayers, which is every Tuesday and Thursdays we pray. We have a prayer service that we do at church, and both of them I have to be present. I also want to make sure that I have time to plan the month of June, which I'm telling you, if you plan your month, it goes very well. I also want to review our bi-weekly budget, which anytime my husband get paid, we have to make sure that we assign each dollar a plan so that they wouldn't want that around. I have a dinner coming up with some friends on the 3rd, not for my birthday, but we normally hang out at least every 6 months, and it's time for me to hang out with them. So me and my husband have the dinner that day as well. And I also have to have time to work on some business stuff, which is very important because this month I'm praying that we're able to sign a lease for our business. And lastly, I want to post video from Tuesday to Saturday, which will be 5 times a week. I'm going to give it a shot and see if I'm able to pull it off again this month. If I'm able to pull it off again this coming month. Now, last month I did post videos from the 1st to 26th. Then from the 26th I kind of get sick, so I wasn't able to finish the whole month, which was okay. But because I planned my month, it went very well for me. Now that I know the events that they are coming up, I also do plan my goals. For my goals, it's kind of personal goals for me, but I kind of plan it just to make sure I'm taking care of myself and just to make sure I'm doing stuff for myself. Because if I don't take care of myself, everything will not go very well. We are a family of 10 and we have to be on top of things. And I have to get that strength. I have to have that self-care. So under my monthly goals, I do have it under 4 categories, which is my personal, my social media and business go together. My health and awareness goes together, in our financial goals. When I set the goals like this, I'm hoping that I'm able to achieve the goals within this month. But last month was very tough for me. I don't think I did most of the goals. If I should grade myself, I'll give myself F, because I feel like most of the things I didn't do. When it comes to personal goals, I think I kind of did a little better. I was able to read my Bible almost every day. Some days I missed, but I kind of catch up before I sleep. And I did have time with the kids. It was a spring break for them, and I did spend time with them as well, which wasn't bad at all. So that was a good one for last month. Now let's look at my business and my social media. For my social media, I was going to post videos every day, like I said, but it didn't go as planned. Getting to the end, it kind of messed up a little bit because I wasn't feeling well, but that's okay. I kind of pull it off. This month, my goal is to post videos Tuesdays to Saturdays. Then I will take Sunday and Monday off. So make sure you watch out for those videos. I am planning like something kind of new to spice the channel up. So make sure you click on your notifications so that you don't miss those videos at all. I'm hoping that I also post on Reels. This is on my Instagram, and short videos 3 times a week. This month I didn't pull it off at all, but hopefully coming month I will be to do so. I have a lot of business stuff I have to do, so hopefully it comes along this month as well. When it comes to my wealth and awareness, I did not work out 4 to 5 times a day. I tried maybe once a week, which was very poor. Eating healthy, I did try to eat healthy, at least 1 healthy meal a day if I'm going to eat a lot of junk, which I don't normally eat a lot of junk. Most of the food I eat at home has a lot of carbohydrate, so I try to mix it up with juice and some healthy stuff as well. So I'm hoping to do better this month. It's my birthday month. Definitely I'm going to eat unhealthy stuff like cake, but I'm trying to make sure that I stay on top with my workout. It's very important. I'm trying to lose weight to wear this kind of clothes for the wedding that is coming up this month, which I forgot to add it to my plans. Yes, I do have a big wedding this month. Yes, I do. Yeah, it's going to be a whole long weekend for this wedding, and it's for my sister, so I have to be part of it. It's going to be a crazy weekend. We are starting this from literally Thursday evening to Sunday evening, and we are going all in for this wedding. So I can't wait to miss that. So I really have to lose a little weight so that I can look sexy when it comes to wearing the clothes for the wedding. So I really have to stay on top of that as well, which I'm going to put it back in my event, which I forgot to put it back. I'm trying to make sure I read 20 pages a day, which this month I kind of tried. I started a book. I didn't finish it, but I was trying to read 20 pages a day, which has a lot of pages, but I did try to do that. I did also try to finish one Bible plan that I pick on my Bible app, which was kind of cool. So we're going to maintain that when it comes to the month of May. Lastly, I'll talk about my finances. I track my daily expenses, which I was trying to do it every day, but I kind of forget, so I started doing it weekly, which that's what I think I have to do weekly. I set time for myself, sit down, write everything that went out for the whole week, which really helps as well. So I'm gonna do it weekly instead of setting myself to do it daily. We also want to pay down about 2,000 towards my debt as extra. Since I don't have any interest, we are trying to put about $1,000 into our savings and investment, and we want to also follow the budget, which is kind of hard. It's very challenging, but we're gonna make sure as a family to do that as well. So now that I talk about my monthly overview, our monthly budget is not too complicated, very simple. We are kind of prioritizing the essentials. So as you can see, we have our mortgage, our food, our gas, then we have our student loan, Apple One, and all of them are very essential. Those are the bills that we are making sure that they are being getting done. We have our internet, our electricity bill, our gas bill, and we didn't group them like maybe four walls or variable fixed expenses. No, I just group them like the ones that they are very important, and those are the important ones that is on top before I talk about. After that, if you have extra money, we will do other stuff as well. So we normally have a monthly movie fees that we pay, and that one is also there. We normally buy stocks, single stocks, or invest, which is $300. Is fixed, it's auto done, so that one we don't have to stress about it, but we have to make sure that it's done. We also have our phone bill, car insurance, and our subscriptions. Those are the bills that are really fixed. They are auto. I cannot negotiate these bills, so that's why I put it on top. So if you look at it monthly, it means that our monthly expenses, which is very important, is almost about 5,200. So after my husband get paid, which we are living on the income, and we are able to fulfill this in the month, it's a goal for us. So if you're able to fulfill this, anything else is important but not really important. If we have money, we will do that. So now that I'm trying to bring a little income in from my shop, and thanks for everybody who have been buying from my shop, or when I work a little bit and get money, then we can go to look at our sinking fund and other stuff. So that's why I put that one also under. So we do have our personal, which it is important but not really. If we have money, we pay ourselves $50 each just to keep it for ourselves. And I also have to pay the kids school cafe, which normally at times they don't eat a lot, so I don't have to pay nothing, but if I have to pay, that is also there. Then I also want to do my sinking fund, which you guys know that is very important. We have to put extra in our savings if we have, also extra on our student loan if we have the money. Then I also have to put some money on the side for miscellaneous in case I miss something, which because we have kids, we always miss something, and they will come back and tell, oh, mommy, you should have paid this, you should have paid that. So I put some kind of money in miscellaneous, and that one sum up to be about $2,700. But the $2,700 is not something that I have to get stressed about. If we have extra money, we go ahead and tackle that as well. So that's all my monthly overview, and I urge you to try to do your monthly overview, and you will not be disappointed. If I didn't do my monthly overview, this month could have gone way off for me. Even though I did get sick, I didn't achieve everything, but it really helped. And it's very easy for you to do. Like I said, I use my note on my phone, so I'm not paying for anything. And I just list down the stuff that I'm supposed to do when it comes to the event, when it comes to my goals, and when it comes to our budgets. So thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye-bye.